Let's take a look at one of the really nice features we added at Metasys Release 9. The advanced search feature on a floor. So I need to create a report, an activity report for floor 1. So I'm going to type in floor 1 in my high school, and we're going to search. It's providing me a list of all the data coming from chilled beams across floor 1. I'm going to create a report for the last day, activity report, which is all the audits and alarms, and we're going to drop that to the PDF format. I now have a report of anything that's occurring with those equipment on the floor in a couple of clicks, making it easier than ever to get data out of the Metasys system.